everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about how to add cargo delivered date in container consignment to a shipment in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into our Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Open the respective shipment. Now, we will be navigated to the shipment screen. Here we have to click on the actual container menu and then click on the edit button to add the cargo delivered date. On the container consignment page, we can see the cargo delivered date column. There we have to provide the date. After providing the cargo delivered date, and then click on the Save Changes button. This is how to add cargo delivered date in container consignment to a shipment in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.